Place microwave safe dish in the microwave for 90 seconds. Stir well using a whisk or fork for 10 seconds at a time, and then return to the microwave. Cook for an additional 30 seconds, stirring until a smooth, creamy consistency is achieved. For best results, place pot on a fondue stand in a pan of hot water, or transfer fondue to a crock pot on low setting, and be sure to stir occasionally. And now it's time to dip in and enjoy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Looks so good, and it smells even better. You'll just want to twirl it, and that's the perfect bite.